Hey guys, today let's learn how to lock the Snapchat on your iPhone device with a passcode. So if you guys are wondering how to lock your Snapchat applications on your iPhone device with a passcode, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this easily. So essentially what we need to go ahead and do first is to launch the settings application and then go on over to your screen time. And okay, so we need to go ahead and tap on our screen time. So let's see where that is going to be located. So once we have already located where our screen time is, all we need to do from here is to tap on the app limits. I want you to tap on add limit and then choose a specific passcode that you want to go ahead and use to lock your apps. Now from here, I want you to proceed with basically tapping and looking for the Snapchat application, and I want you to proceed with selecting that, tapping on next, and then choosing the lowest minutes possible. In this case, it is 1 minute. So just tap on add, and basically from here, I want you to go ahead and use the Snapchat application for a minute or so. Now what this will do is it's going to go ahead and detect that you have used the application for a minute, and right after that it's automatically going to lock the application, allowing you to not use it anymore, and will basically need you guys to enter your passcode in order for you to use it again. Now that is how you guys could easily lock your Snapchat application on your iPhone device with a passcode. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.